हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एम एस सिविल लेक्चर्स। मैं खान मोहम्मद मोहतशिम। आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को 30 एमसीक्यूज विथ आंसर्स बताऊंगा ऑन टेंडर्स एंड टेंडर डॉक्यूमेंट्स, जो कि थर्ड यूनिट है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स एंड अकाउंट का। ये लेक्चर स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको रिकमेंड करूंगा, जिस किसी ने भी मेरे लास्ट लेक्चर्स एमसीक्यू ऑन पीडब्ल्यूडी प्रोसीजर टू एग्जीक्यूट द वर्क और एमसीक्यू ऑन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज़ पहले उसे देखो, तो आप लोगों को कंटिन्यूटी मिलेगी। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। मैं आपको आपके एग्ज़ाम से पहले हर यूनिट पर 30 एमसीक्यू प्रोवाइड करूंगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का टॉपिक एमसीक्यू ऑन टेंडर्स एंड टेंडर डॉक्यूमेंट्स। Question number 1. An offer in writing is provided for execution of work with TNC is called as option A contract, option B tender, option C agreement, option D none of these. The right answer is tender. Question number 2. For execution of work, tender notice is given in option A daily newspaper, option B magazine, option C WhatsApp, option D Facebook. The right answer is daily newspaper. Question number 3. For specialized job or for big project, which tender is invited? Option A local tender, option B open tender, option C limited tender, option D global tender. The right answer is global tender. Question number 4. In which tender limited number of contractors are invited? Option A local tender, option B open tender, option C limited tender, option D global tender. The right answer is limited tender. Question 5. Notice inviting tender is known as option A notice of agreement, option B tender agreement, option C tender notice, option D invitation of agreement. The right answer is tender notice. Question number 6. Tender notice includes option A name of work, option B estimate cost, option C time limit, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 7. Drafting is a specimen tender notice for construction of dash for government. Option A railway station, option B guest house building, option C airport, option D school. The right answer is guest house building. Question number 8. Which has authority to inviting tender? Option A executive engineer, option B junior engineer, option C assistant engineer, option D any engineer. The right answer is executive engineer. Question number 9. While submitting the tender, the contractor has to deposit option A EMD, option D security deposit, option C salary deposit, option D advance 50%. The right answer is EMD. Question number 10. EMD is dash amount of estimated cost. Option A 10 to 15%, option B 15 to 19%, option C 1 to 2%, option D 25%. The right answer is 1 to 2%. Question number 11. Security deposit is amount paid at the time when option A purchasing the tender document, option B after acceptance of tender, option C deposition of tender document, option D none of this. The right answer is after acceptance of tender. Question number 12. Security deposit varies from dash of total estimate cost of work. Option A 5 to 10%, option B 10 to 15%, option C 15 to 20%, option D 20 to 25%. The right answer is 5 to 10%. Question number 13. If contractor fails to fulfill work as per terms and condition, his dash is forfeited by department. Option A whole security deposit, option B part of security deposit, Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The right answer is both A and B. Question number 14. Security deposit is returned to contractor after dash month from date of payment of final bill. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The right answer is 3. Question number 15. If the successful tender failed to submit the additional performance security within dash working days from the date of issue of letter of acceptance, his earnest money will be forfeited. Option A 7, option B 15, option C 21, option D 28. The right answer is 7. Question number 16. Validity period is ranges from option A 1 to 30 days, option B 30 to 90 days, option C 90 to 120 days, option D 120 to 150 days. The right answer is 30 to 90 days. Question number 17. Which document is most important among tenders document? Option A index, option B specification, option C tender notice, option D EMD. The right answer is tender notice. Question number 18. Which is not form of contract? Option A A1, option B A2, option C C1, option D B1. The right answer is C1. Question number 19. A contractor has to insert his rate on schedule dash only. Option A, option B, B, option C, C, option D, D. The right answer is B. Question number 20. Schedule B includes option A, bill of quantities, option B, bill of labors, option C, rate of materials, option D, name of materials. The right answer is bill of quantities. Question number 21. Schedule C is for option A material quantities, option B labor bills, option C machineries, option D name of materials. The right answer is machineries. Question number 22. Schedule A statement showing detail of option A material supplied to contractor, option B bill of labor, option C machineries, option D none of these. The right answer is material supplied to contractor. Question number 23. If delay in work due to dash will not be penalized. Option A owner, option B natural climate, option C both A and B, option D none of these. The right answer is both A and B. Question number 24. For time extension, contractor has to submit an application to option A executive engineer, option B junior engineer, option C assistant engineer, option D any engineer. The right answer is executive engineer. Question number 25. A maximum penalty up to dash of contract amount can be imposed on contractor. Option A 5%, option B 10%, option C 15%, option D 25%. The right answer is 10%. Question number 26. DLP means option A defect liable period, option B deficiency lease period, option C defect liability period, option D defect liquidated period. The right answer is defect liability period. Question number 27. Process of setting the dispute between owner and contractor is called as option A arbitration, option B escalation, option C disputation, option D debate. The right answer is arbitration. Question number 28. Amount of compensation payable to owner or department by contractor due to delay in construction is known as? Option A, price variation. Option B, liquidity damage. Option C, defect liability. Option D, escalation amount. The right answer is liquidity damage. Question number 29. Tenders shall be submitted in option A, envelope 10, option B, envelope 20, option C, envelope 5, option D, envelope 4. The right answer is envelope 4. Question number 30. Before accepting the tender, it is required to check by the process of option A, scrutiny, option B, mining, option C, debating, option D, disputing. The right answer is scrutiny. Thank you for watching this video. Please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.